Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is the special review of the first year of category-based express entry draws by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC. Today, we are exploring how these innovative draws have been shaping the future of Canada. Category-based express entry draws play a pivotal role in the Canadian immigration system, offering a pathway for skilled individuals to secure permanent residency based on their qualifications, work experience, and other factors. These draws are designed to target specific categories of candidates, such as those with certain skill sets or work experience, in order to meet the evolving needs of the Canadian labor market. Before going further, please consider subscribing to our channel. We will bring more videos on latest immigration news and educational videos. Canada's immigration system has always been forward-thinking, and the introduction of category-based draws on June 28, 2023, marks a significant step forward. Announced in May of last year, these draws aim to address specific national labor gaps and demographic challenges. Simply put, IRCC designed these draws to attract skilled newcomers with specific in-demand work experience and proficiencies. This way, Canada ensures it brings in talent that meets its immediate and future needs. In 2024, IRCC prioritized candidates with experience in 6 key areas: healthcare, science, engineering, technology, and mathematics, STEM, trades, transport, agriculture and agri-food, and French language proficiency. Several key factors influence the outcomes of category-based express entry draws, including occupation in demand. The demand for certain occupations within the Canadian labor market can significantly impact the selection criteria for category-based express entry draws. Candidates with skills and experience in high-demand fields may have a competitive edge in these draws. Provincial nominee programs, PNPs, collaboration between the federal government and provincial authorities through PNPs can also influence the categories targeted in express entry draws. Candidates nominated by a province may receive additional points, increasing their chances of selection. Language proficiency. Proficiency in English and French is a crucial factor in the express entry system. Candidates with strong language skills may be more likely to receive invitations to apply for permanent residency through category-based draws. While these categories have their own specific requirements, comprehensive ranking system (CRS) scores remain crucial. Category-based express entry draws have a significant impact on immigration trends in Canada, shaping the composition of the skilled workforce and contributing to the country's economic growth. By targeting specific categories of candidates, these draws help address labor shortages in key sectors and promote diversity within the Canadian workforce. Let's delve into how these category-based draws have played out over the past year. Since the first category-based draw, IRCC has conducted 25 such draws. Here are some highlights. June 28, 2023, Healthcare, CRS cut-off score 476, 500 ITAs issued. July 5, 2023, STEM, CRS cut-off score 486, 500 ITAs issued. July 6, 2023, Healthcare, CRS cut-off score 463, 1,500 ITAs issued. July 7, 2023, French language proficiency, CRS cut-off score 439, 2,300 ITAs issued. July 12, 2023, French language proficiency, CRS cut-off score 375, 3,800 ITAs issued. August 2, 2023, French language proficiency, CRS cut-off score 435, 800 ITAs issued. August 3, 2023, Trades, CRS cut-off score 388, 1,500 ITAs issued. September 20, 2023, Transport, CRS cut-off score 435, 1,000 ITAs issued. September 27, 2023, French language proficiency, CRS cut-off score 472, 500 ITAs issued. September 28, 2023, Agriculture and Agri-Food, CRS cut-off score 354, 600 ITAs issued. In total, the number of invitations to apply, ITAs, issued varied greatly among categories. Here's the breakdown over the past year. Healthcare, 9,100 ITAs STEM, 10,900 ITAs Trades, 2,500 ITAs Transport, 2,645 ITAs Agriculture and Agri-Food, 1,150 ITAs French language proficiency, 21,100 ITAs. Looking ahead to the rest of 2024, IRCC has already outlined its plan for ITA distribution across these categories. Here's how it breaks down: Healthcare, 15% STEM, 25% Trades, 5% Transport, 3% agriculture and agri-food, 0.5% French language proficiency, 30%. Notably, 78.5% of all express entry ITAs will be issued to category-based draw candidates, with the remaining 21.5% going to general draws. This new approach by IRCC is more than just numbers. It's about building a vibrant, diverse, and skilled workforce that will drive Canada's future forward. We look forward to seeing how these initiatives continue to evolve and benefit both newcomers and the nation as a whole. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the first year of category-based express entry draws. Stay tuned for more updates and insights. Until next time.